really stoked to present to you the Switchblade 2017. This sail is got pedigree. We have test results, Switchblade 2016, 15, 14, 13, going back many seasons. Magazine test results that are outstanding. Test winners. The 2017 version of the Switchblade has been redesigned completely. We've got new luff curve schedules, new vertical shapes in the vertical seam, horizontal shapes, the releases and take-ups in the leech, all new. The luff pocket has been redesigned for 2017. A slightly narrower upper luff pocket, slightly wider lower luff pocket. The new materials we have worked into the 2017 are exclusive 3.5mm biax X-ply in the top upper body panels, still the 5mm triax in the leech, 5mm triax in the foot. The 3-cam Switchblade is a pure free race sail that is competitive on the national and international level. We have results from riders all over the world using the Switchblade. It's an easy, accessible race design, all new for 2017.